Hello and welcome. My name is Matthias Finger. I'm a professor of management of network industries at École Polytechnique Fédérale in Lausanne, Switzerland. This is the course about managing urban infrastructures. As you know, cities are faced with huge challenges. More than half of the world's population currently lives in cities. Cities are big polluters. Cities are the consumers of the majority of the resources. They have transportation problems, water problems, and plenty of other big challenges ahead of them. In this course, we will talk about that in 4 different blocks. In a first block, we will offer you an introduction to urban infrastructures. The second block will offer the foundations of managing the urban infrastructure systems. And the third and the fourth block will talk about 2 particular urban infrastructures, namely energy and transport. Now, in this first block, you will learn about the urban infrastructure systems and the challenges that they are confronted with. This first block is structured into 5 sessions. The first session is a general introduction. It is done by a guest speaker, Mr. Victor Vergara from the World Bank. The second session will be about the main urban infrastructure systems. I will present to you how these systems work and how they are structured. The third session will talk about the main dimensions of urban infrastructures. The fourth session will give you the point of view of a practitioner that deals with all these challenges in his daily life. And the fifth session will then look at the different analytical perspectives from which one can look at these urban infrastructure systems and their management.